It's wholesaling dead. Even though wholesaling has been around for a long time, wholesaling got extremely popular during COVID because people were making thousands of dollars from their home. 2023 market has shifted. It's not the seller's market that we saw in 2021, early 2022. It was probably the best market that America has seen. That caused for the market to be flooded with wholesalers because all these people on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok, they were talking about wholesaling. 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds in their basement in the middle of nowhere were making money. They were assigning contracts. My name is Carlos. I've been investing full-time in real estate for about 3 years. I've done a lot of deals in a seller's market, in a buyer's market, and I've done assignments from $2,500 up to $150,000. And I'm here to share with you that it is still good to wholesale in this market, 2023, anywhere in the US right now. This year we've done deals in California and in Orange County, Bakersfield, High Desert, South Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia, Texas, Florida, and it's still good because there's two parts of wholesaling: finding the deals and then finding the buyer. So let's think about finding the deals. You have to find distressed homeowners that are gonna be willing to let go of their properties at a discount. These properties are gonna be pre-foreclosure, notice of default, people that are behind on their taxes, people that have very distressed properties and they don't have the money, the time, or energy to take on a big project, people that are relocating, people that inherit properties. All of these are gonna be motivated sellers. Now let's talk about the second part, which is finding the buyers. Finding the buyers, you're gonna do it by researching whatever market you're in, researching the people that do flips there, or buying whole properties. There's a lot of ways that you can find these buyers, but a good easy way is just going on Zillow or the MLS and see which properties have been flipped in that area recently. You reach out to them and then you ask them if they want their next project. That's how you're gonna find buyers. There's a flood of buyers and real estate investors across the US. We recently did a deal in Nebraska. We've never done a deal in Nebraska, Bellevue or something like that. Never heard of it. We found an investor that was interested in this deal. So there's investors everywhere. It's just a matter of going out there and searching them. But the main thing is gonna be finding a good deal, making sure that you put it under contract at a good number where you're gonna be able to find a buyer. So to wrap this video up, I hope it's been helpful. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell and follow us for more wholesaling content.